Hi everyone. Thought I'd answer some frequently asked questions about the Skooliepalooza site. One of the main ones we keep getting is phone or connectivity. We're in Arizona. Over there is Blythe, California. I don't know if you can see the buildings over there, but that's California, and we're up high enough we get a clear signal there. And behind the camera over here is, I believe that's another cell tower up there on that peak. So we get pretty good coverage. I get 3 bars on my Verizon, 3 to 4 bars on my Verizon phone. So the one thing to keep in mind is that's a different time zone. So I've had my phone switch back and forth between the towers mid-conversation. So the clock on my phone is not reliable unless, I make the suggestion, is you turn off the automatic time zone change. So while you're here, you're sticking on Arizona time, and it's not all of a sudden changing to California time, which is, what, an hour earlier? That has confused things when I'm looking at my phone, think it's 4 o'clock, go into town, and the place I was going to that closes at 5 closed. So just something to keep in mind. Now let's take a ride into town, and I will show you other important places to know about. From the traffic circle, you've all passed the Flying J. It's over here. They have a Wendy's, a Cinnabon, a Carvel thing. They do have showers for $12. There is also, across the highway, this place, AZT Phillips 66 station. They have less cost in fuel than the Flying J. They do not have showers. More of a Minimart kind of thing. And as we come down into Ehrenberg, you've got the laundromat slash mall. And in here, showers are $8. Pretty decent. The laundromat, the actual washers and dryers work really well. Some Minimart also, so there's all kinds of little stuff. You can get water here. I'm going to pull over by the water thing, and so right here there's 2 things. Their dump station is closed because somebody sabotaged it. But you can get water here for $2 to fill up your RV. They also have things to fill up jugs. So now we'll get on the road again. Just down the road from the mall, you've got the Texaco station, a little mini mart here. There is a very well stocked Family Dollar right across the way. So they've got lots of food items and other Family Dollar type stuff. Now we'll head over into Blythe, California, just across. Alright, so I headed into California. For those who've never been before, you can expect this California agricultural inspection. As you can see, pretty much everybody just gets waved through. Trucks, you have to stop over there, and I have never had to stop here. I usually just wave and smile. It's a little weird coming into here because the trucks will be coming in on that side, but keep going this way. It's only a little over a mile to get to Blythe, and we'll start showing you around there. Coming into Blythe, if you get off the 7th Street exit, that's where, if you're coming in for shopping for food and that kind of stuff, this is where you want to get off. Also happens to be the hospital, and the highway patrol is that way. in case you're interested in that. So let's see. Just as you get off is the hemp dispensary, and around in the parking lot where this truck is coming out is Albertsons, a grocery store, little on the expensive side. There is a Rite Aid pharmacy right across from it, and we're going to cross the main street here to get to the Smart Food Saver place. So across the main drag, there's a sign here that says Smart Final Extra. That is another grocery store, less expensive than Albertsons. They don't have the little things like the deli and all that. They've got pre-sliced deli meats and whatnot, and we're gonna go in, and it is definitely less expensive than Albertsons. So, like I said, it's pretty much same stuff you're going to get other places, but a lot less. For instance, I spend almost $7 for a pound of turkey, sliced turkey at Walmart. This is 28 ounces for $5. So can't beat that. Okay, to get an idea of veggies, there's all kinds of fruits and veggies in here that always look pretty good. Even like the multicolored carrots or the orange beets. So, and again, lots of good stuff.
Wonderful.
So this is the main drag. There's a water station back there. There's come down here, there's a few banks, cafes, whatnot. We're gonna keep on going down through here. I won't show you the whole thing, but most of the businesses are down along here. There is another thing that says hospital is down that way. So the there's I think it's down Broadway, but I'm not absolutely sure. There's a Napa. It's way off the main drag. But it's down here at this road is the main street crosses this one. I think this is the one. Nope, not Main Street. I was thinking I think that's the only donut shop here. If you're really looking for donuts, look for the donut shop that looks like it ought to be a small Pizza Hut. And if you're looking for auto parts, you know, there's the Car Quest here if you don't like Napa. And farther down there's another one. Starbucks for those that are addicted. This is on the corner of Lovekin Boulevard, and if you go in the other direction, we're going to come back down that in a minute, but that is fast food alley. Basically, it's got any flavor of fast food grease you want is down that road. And there's a couple of hotels down here. If you want to go back for nostalgia's sake, you want to go to a Sizzler. They actually still have a Sizzler here. And this is Ace Hardware. They do have lumber and stuff right in this place. It's expensive. And we're basically at the edge of town. We turned just past O'Reilly's here. And we'll get back in here. I'm not sure what this store was that closed. I know it looks like it used to be a Walmart or something like that, but it's not. But there is another market right here, and I believe that's the one that Jack's called the Mexican market. It's got you can buy like bulk chicken at already marinated, very low prices. Little pharmacy. Then we're coming back in where it says the big coffee shop sign, and I think that's part connected up with the Red Roof Inn. And again, this is Lovekin Boulevard, and as we turn this, you got your Del Taco, your Carl's Jr. On that side. There's a Jack in the Box. There's a McDonald's over on this side. So like I said, what flavor of fast food grease do you want? They got it. And then right over here is I-10 where we can get back on. And as you come across here, down Lovekin, that's where they hid the subway, in case you want a subway. So and right at the entrance back onto I-10 to head back over to Ehrenberg. So Riviera Drive, if you get off here, you can't get off when you come in from Ehrenberg. You got to go in, turn around, and go down in, and that's where down that way is the sewage treatment plant, where they do have a dump station, and it's open 24/7 as far as I know. $7, you're on camera, definitely got to pay. If you don't pay, they will track you down. Unfortunately, the Flying J had a dump station. It is closed. I'm not sure why. The mall had a dump station. That one closed because somebody sabotaged it by dumping a lot of rocks down in and plugging up the line. But it didn't go into a tank. It fed down right to the sewage treatment plant. So those are your options for dumping here. You go back to Quartzsite. There's a couple of places there that for a fee you can dump. And we're back on the traffic circle to head back to the site.